One more item, and I think we can close the book, if you will, on cost behavior relative to variable cost and fixed cost. And that is the concept of relevant range. Relevant range refers to the following. The range of activity, that is, for example, in the previous example, I used 30,000, 40,000, and 50,000 units. That implies, or you could infer from this, that this manufacturing facility can build anywhere between 0 and 50,000 units. But if you need to make more than 50,000 units, something has to change. Most likely, you need maybe more equipment or maybe a bigger building, whatever the case may be. So the relevant range suggests that it refers to the level of activity of fixed costs, such that the relevant range of activity for a fixed cost is that range of activity over which the graph of the cost is flat. For example, referring to this drawing, if this is my fixed cost per unit, this is my fixed cost. Well, the relevant range here is from 0 to 50,000 units. If I need more capacity, because I need to make, let's say, 60,000 units, and I don't have enough equipment to do it, I need to go out and buy some more to allow me to maybe get up to a total of 80,000 units. So I need some incremental increase in fixed costs. So when we speak of relevant range, we are saying how much product can we produce or generate with this level of fixed cost. So let's illustrate this further. Recall in our previous example, we did 30 to 50,000 units. Well, let's just assume that business is really booming and we believe that we're going to be doing 60,000 units next month or next year, whatever the case may be. Well, if that's the case, let's just assume, for the purposes of illustrative purposes, referring here again, I'm going to build 60,000 units. It's going to cost me $360,000 now in variable costs. $6 per unit, recall, is the amount that this unit cost us. But I need another $100,000 of equipment, or more equipment, that yields to me a fixed cost increase of $100,000, giving me a total fixed cost of $400,000. Therefore, my total cost then is going to be $760,000. If I divide 60,000 units into 400,000, I'm going to get, I think, somewhere in the neighborhood of about, well, I have to do the arithmetic, $6.67. So by adding that $100,000 to 400,000, my total cost is $760. If I divide 60,000 units into 400,000, my cost is now $6.67 of fixed cost per unit, bringing my cost to $12.67. Recall that at 50,000 units, my cost was $12. So my fixed cost has gone up. And then it'll start to decline again as I begin to produce across what? The new relevant range.